Last video, we made dirt using cornstarch and water with a little bit of food coloring. And this video, we're gonna have some fun playing in the dirt because we're gonna make a plastic shovel, a paper shovel. To make a plastic shovel, you'll need a plastic container, a marker, and a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut this part all around and cut this part out. And I'm also going to cut this part. That's going to be the shovel. Point. There, here are my trace lines. I'm going to cut around this part and around this part. If it's too hard to do with scissors, you could always ask one of your parents to do it, or you can ask them to use a craft knife and do it, and that will be a whole lot easier. These scissors are fairly pointy. I'm going to open it up and puncture it, and then hold it steady against something and go slowly. There, that's the top part. I'm gonna take my scissors off and now I'm adjusting my shovel to make it just the way I like. I think the tip makes it too hard to scoop up, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That works better. For our paper shovel, we need a toilet paper tube, scissors, and a little bit of masking tape. Take your toilet paper tube and squish it down. And then we're going to take a piece of tape and we're going to tape right there. Put the masking tape on half of the tube and then fold it over. Now I'm going to cut a little scoop out. Let's see how it works. Cool. In my next video, it's story time again, and I'm going to read to you Working Hard with the Mighty Mixer. See you.